Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to turn off camera mirroring in Microsoft Teams and fix your flipped webcam video display permanently. This instantly forces the application rendering engine to stop flipping your preview feed backwards, allowing text, numbers, or company logos on your shirt or whiteboards to read perfectly left to right for you, just like they do for everyone else in the meeting. First, move your cursor to the absolute top right corner of the interface header row and click on the three dots, Settings and More icon sitting directly next to your profile picture. Click on Settings from the Choice drop-down layout to load your main application configuration panel. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Devices tab located near the upper middle section of the left sidebar list. Scroll down until you reach the main header row explicitly labeled Video. Ensure your primary webcam is fully active so you can see your live video feed rendering inside the preview box. Locate the specific settings switch toggle option sitting directly underneath the preview box, explicitly labeled Mirror My Video. Click that tracking toggle switch to turn it completely off to freeze the software layout from applying an internal horizontal mirror flip to your screen display. And that's it. Your unmirrored RealView webcam capture layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.